Hey everybody, it's Jared with Thayer Design Build here, and we are here today for the final walkthrough of our modern family bathroom. The reason why this client reached out to us about remodeling this bathroom was twofold. Number one, the space was dated and falling apart. The countertop was falling apart, the shower door wasn't opening, and the wallpaper was starting to peel. And the second reason why they reached out to us was that they have a growing family. A bathtub with one shower head and a vanity with one sink wasn't really fitting their needs. And so what we did is we put in dual shower heads with this beautiful linear drain. One of the things that I really appreciate about this bathroom is this glass wall right here. We took out an old wooden wall that had obscured glass, and it really created separation in this bathroom. It made it feel a lot smaller. And by getting rid of that and putting in this glass wall with this waterfall edge, it really enlarges the space. Something else to appreciate is this unique tile with the hex and the herringbone. I think it turned out really well. It's got really clean lines. It's very well balanced and has a lot of symmetry to it as well. Over here you can see that we have a cabinet above the toilet along with a shelf for a speaker. Inside that cabinet we have an outlet for charging, and we also have another outlet that's next to the toilet in case in the future the client decides to install a heated toilet seat or something similar. Something else that I love about this space in here is the niche and the toe kick lighting. It really sets off a good feel for the light within this area. You'll notice that we have a solar tube that brings in some natural light along with quite a bit of lighting in total. We also transitioned from a single sink to a dual sink. We put in this modern cabinetry. Overall, a really beautiful improvement to this space. If you or someone you know has a growing family or a bathroom that's falling apart, please give us a ring and we'll be able to perform the same thing for your bathroom that we did here. Thanks.